Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box. With me today, Mr. Jason.
Hey, how you doing, Drew?
They call you Mr. Jason. Can I call you your full name?
Whatever you want.
Mr. McCarty. There we go. Jason McCarty here with me. What'd you bring?
CompuStar CSX 4900S.
Ooh, that sounds fancy.
It is.
What is it?
It is everything you need in a box. It is a remote start, keyless entry, drone controlling, and a 3,000 foot range two-way remote.
I need emotional support. Is that in here?
I cannot allow that animal to board the plane.
Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. She's a circus animal.
She's a dinosaur.
I mean, he needs her for emotional support.
Yeah.
There we go.
Hugs come optional.
Box is very nice. I do like the overall appearance of the box. Again, I'll always call this out. I think this is something that they do that a lot of people are a little bit afraid of. They show a range meter, and this is not all the way as far as theirs can go.
That is correct.
And they actually show that on there. Now, 3,000 feet, let's be clear. I have a factory remote start. It works about 20 feet at best.
Yeah.
At best. So 3,000 feet is ridiculous and substantially more than people are getting in their factory. But CompuStar, what is there? It's like a mile, right? Well, that is a mile, right? 3,000 feet?
3,000 feet is just a touch over a half mile.
Yeah, half mile. 5,200 and something, right?
5,280.
Put it up there. What's a mile? How many feet?
5,280.
Is he right?
Yep. Quarter mile's 1320.
He feels pretty good about this.
I know.
Okay. But they have one that goes a mile, right? More?
They have one that does 3,000 miles.
3,000 miles?
Yeah. It's in the box. We're going to tell you all about it.
What? I have to get in this box. Again, retail box, very nice. Back side of the box, all the feature set for this piece, but we'll go over it all because Jason's smarter than me. He knows it. Oh, this is very nice. I like the packaging.
Nice.
A door jam sticker.
Yes.
What is that?
So there's lots of benefits to this package, but what you're holding is the brand new updated drone module that can be mounted in any direction. The reason why there's a door sticker is, let's say I put this on your vehicle now, and then you decide that you want to trade it in. How does the customer find out the serial number to transfer over the service? It's in the door jamb. It's awesome.
This is the drone you were looking for. See
That's
what I
right.
did there?
Yeah. There we go.
I've been looking for a way to throw that in there forever.
Yeah, these are
very nice
awesome. Awesome pieces.
What you got here?
So this is one of their two-way remotes. It is water resistant, not waterproof, but it's LED confirmation along the left-hand side of the remote as you're holding it. They're pretty thin. They have a little thumb grip here, so it's really ergonomic so that it won't fall off your hand. Just like the door jamb sticker, here's also a reminder with the same information to tell you, make sure that you activate the system. Or when you trade it in, give it to them.
Do you know we're giving it away?
Absolutely.
Yep. Just got to put your dealer name, comment, get a chance to win this for your car. Get all these pretty stickers.
Pretty stickers.
The drone you're looking for.
Yes.
And this and more.
But wait! There's more! Hang on to your seat, baby! Cause this one's a screamer!
There's more. There's a whole box.
There's more.
We're not done.
There's tons more.
Sometimes you pull it away, you pull that little top off and holy cow, there's a lot more. Woo! What is this? I have no idea.
So this is your antenna, and it's also an LED on the back. So when you mount it on the windshield, it will actually flash so people can see that.
You would think it's like a one-wire thing. I don't think this is a one-wire thing. What is this?
All right, so this is their CM900 module that still has all their stickers to put in the door jamb as well. And that it is also blade compatible so that when you go to do your bypass door locks that are data bus controlled, then what you're going to do is slide that module in just like this, and it has everything for you, and then you still just use your standard harnesses. It's an awesome piece.
I like the stickers, right? So you can put this on the car, let everybody know that it's CompuStar piece that's got in there.
Exactly.
What do you got here?
This is basically a warning to let mechanics know underneath the hood that this has a remote start on it, and for you to look for the hood pin switch and to make sure that you're paying attention.
This is really cool for the installers. So this is a mirror tag.
Exactly.
So when you're done installing it, it actually gives them the instructions on what to do next.
Exactly.
That's a pretty cool little piece.
If your dealer is putting this in and they were paying attention, we're going to get to it here in a second, you would want to do this for your customer. And I'll tell you why. Just as your quick start guide. Standard harnesses. Everybody's seen these before. The hood pins that we were talking about.
I would say when it comes to remote start, don't treat this like a floor mat. Please make sure you read through your instruction manuals to know how the wiring is all set up and everything is done. That is probably the biggest issue with remote start is improper wiring. I would say is going to be the only issue that we see for returns. Their pieces at CompuStar are rock solid.
Rock solid.
All right, you got something hidden in here. I'll let you go ahead.
Okay.
This is you.
So what I did is I put some cash in here. Reason why I put cash in here is to go along with this. You as a dealer need to take the effort to get this money. You send one email. So all you do is you activate this for your customer, and right off the bat, you're going to get $4 on a card. Now, it's not a lot of money, but if you're doing a lot of these, let's say you did 100 of these, that's $400 for free.
For sounds good to me.
For sending one email for everyone you do.
Are you going to give them those $4 or are you taking it back?
I'm going to take these back because you know what? I'm broke.
Need to buy more or help Jason out. That's what we need to have.
But the point is every dealer is always asking for a way. I need to make more money. You need to give me a better price. I like to push back and say, you need to do more. Send one email. You'll get free money.
Yep. Service is a big part of our industry that we're in. It's something that gets forgotten about all the time. But service is something we want to make sure you guys are dedicated to, especially when it comes to a remote start. These are not an easy installation all the time.
Are you kidding me? Look at all this crap. It's like 1,000,000 wires in here. More like a 3-wire guy.
Sometimes they come in, they go in real easy. Sometimes it's going to take a lot of troubleshooting. One of the best things with CompuStar is they've got guys that are dedicated to help with the troubleshooting. Their troubleshooting is fantastic. So
Rock solid tech support.
kind of run through everything again, right? What we got here, we got our harnesses over here. We've got our actual brain, right? We've got our antenna, our remote, and the drone.
The drone module, the quick start guide, the warning stickers, which you have to put on, the window hanger, the smart key tag, and the instruction manual. Another part of this cache that I have forgotten to tell you is that when your customer subscribes and you set it up, they get 30 days for free of their premium service. And then they have the opportunity to buy that in monthly, 1 year, 3 year, and sometimes they have other options. But if they only sign up immediately after leaving your shop, you'll get $4. If they continue with the premium package, you're going to get another $2 every single month for the life of the install for as long as they have service. So nobody is giving you residuals on two-way communication remotes and or telematic units. Nobody.
It's a cool opportunity. So guys, thanks again to the guys at CompuStar. Remember, we're giving this away. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, do all the good things. If you're going to comment, put your dealer name, your dealer number so that we know who to give it to. It's always appreciated. I know Jason appreciates the likes. He's a very likable guy. Look at him. Like a big teddy bear.
All right.
We'll see you guys next time. Adios.
See you.